In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get Mimic here in Bite by Night on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. In order to do this, you actually need to open up the shop from the main little menu section that you're in. So go ahead and select shop over on that left-hand sidebar and go to the section where the characters or abilities are listed. If you just scroll down on this section, you're going to see Mimic on here in the animatronics tab. Now he's called the project in this game, so just keep that in mind. But to unlock him, you're going to need to buy him using in-game currency or Robux, depending on your balance. Once you do have enough, just simply go ahead and select purchase. And of course, you'll be able to get it for about 4,500 scraps. There's also skins for it that you can get as well as emotes, so just keep that in mind if you do want to customize them a little bit. But that is the entire process. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.